How to post a Yelp deal or gift certificate. Hello everybody, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can post a Yelp deal or gift certificate. The first step is to log in into your Yelp business account. All right. So your business account logo is a little different. Instead of just Yelp and the leaf logo, you'll most likely see Yelp for business and then this image coming after it. So the first step to do is to log in into your business account. If you do not have a business account, move to the top part of the screen where you can see Yelp for business, click on it, and then add a business or log in directly into your business account if you've added your business earlier. So once you've done that and you are brought to the page, the next thing is that on your business page you'll see several options. You'll see deals and gift certificates. Ensure you click on it. After clicking on it, you will be taken to the deals and gift certificates page. On this page, choose the get started option to set up your first Yelp deal. Then provide the relevant details for your deal, such as the discount type, percent off, etc. And then if you want to offer gift certificate, you should create them. You can create them through Yelp as well. Just follow the instructions and then you are good to go. This gift certificate allows customers to purchase credits for their business, which they can redeem later. All right. So, and the reason why Yelp deals and gift certificates are only available on the Yelp for business site is because Yelp deals and gift certificates are used to attract new customers and encourage repeat business. So here is how to get about it. Okay, ensure you try it out. Thanks for watching and have a good day.